In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a text link starting a new paragraph in Webflow. If you've ever added a text link inside a paragraph and noticed that it suddenly drops onto a new line or behaves like its own separate paragraph, this is usually a display setting issue. The good news is that it's a very quick fix once you know where to look. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can keep your text links flowing naturally within your paragraph. First, open your Webflow project and go to the page where the formatting issue is happening. Once you are there, find the text link that's breaking your layout. This is the link that's not staying in line with the rest of your sentence or paragraph. Click to select that text link element. After it's selected, move over to the right-hand style panel. This is where you control how the selected element behaves visually on the page. In the Layout section, look for the display settings. If the link is acting like a block element, it can force itself onto a new line, which is what causes that awkward paragraph break. To fix it, click the inline icon in some cases. Inline block can also work, but inline is usually the best choice for normal text links inside a paragraph. Setting the display to inline tells Webflow to keep the link within the natural flow of the text, instead of treating it like a separate block. As soon as you apply that setting, your link should sit properly within the sentence again. If the issue still appears in other places, there may be a global style affecting all links across the site. In that case, the next step is to reset the All Links tag style. Select any text link on your canvas. Then, in the Style panel, click into the Selector field and choose All Links. This allows you to edit the global styling that applies to every text link using that tag. Once you are in the All Links selector, go back to the display property and change it to inline. This helps ensure that text links across your site stay inside paragraphs instead of unexpectedly starting new lines. After making that change, it's a good idea to quickly check a few pages or text sections to confirm that your links are displaying consistently. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your typography clean and professional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.